In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Squarespace site. To get started, open the Squarespace website in your browser. Once the page loads, look for the login option, usually found near the top of the screen, and click on it. This will take you to the Squarespace sign-in page, where you'll see a few different ways to access your account. On the login screen, Squarespace gives you several sign-in options. You may see choices like continue with Google, continue with Apple, or continue with Facebook. These options are there to make signing in faster, especially if your Squarespace account was originally created or connected using one of those services. Before moving forward, take a quick moment to choose the method that matches how you normally access your account. Using the same login method as before is important because it helps make sure you're taken to the correct account and website dashboard. For this example, we're going to use the Google sign-in method. Go ahead and click on Continue with Google. As soon as you do that, a Google sign-in window or page will appear. Depending on your browser and device, this may open as a pop-up or as a full page. If nothing appears, make sure your browser isn't blocking pop-ups, since that can sometimes interrupt the login process. After clicking Continue with Google, you'll be asked to select the Google account you want to use. If you're already signed into Google on your device, you may see a list of available accounts. Simply click the account connected to your Squarespace site. If you only have one Google account signed in, it may move to the next screen automatically. It's a good idea here to double check that you're choosing the correct account, especially if you manage multiple websites or use separate personal and work logins. Selecting the wrong one could sign you into a different account or prevent access to the site you're trying to manage. Once you choose the correct Google account, Squarespace will continue the login process and sign you into your site dashboard. From there, you'll be able to manage your website, update pages, adjust settings, and continue working as needed. That's all it takes to log into a Squarespace site using Google. The key is to start from the Login button, choose the sign-in provider that matches your account, click. Continue with Google if that's your login method, and then select the correct account. If this walkthrough helped, you can follow the same process anytime you need to access your Squarespace website.